all of you. You can experiment for yourself and see how this works. Everybody, pick a sardine and follow it for like 10 seconds. Yeah, that sounds great, doesn't it? It's okay, I'll wait. Okay, oh, there's the krill. And who's still following your sardine? It's hard, and that's what keeps them safe. If you're not on the same sardine, you are not going to make your catch. Now, the sardines right now are seeing the krill, seeing the predators. They've gathered in very, very tightly, so you can really see the action of a school underway. This is phenomenal. I love this. This is what happens in the ocean, and we get to see it right here, because all these animals coming together means that wild species are acting in the way that they were, seeing natural behaviors as predators and prey are stimulated by seeing the others around them. Now, you'll see the little dolphin fish darting around the top. One of them totally managed to catch a stray sardine. There are sardines up there who went to eat the krill and did not wait for the rest of the group, and that didn't work out. Adults, this is a great time to work up your circle of life speech. Predators and prey are a very important part of the ocean. Now, this also tells you, we know a group of fish is called a school of fish. Maybe that's why some people say stay in school. If you don't stay with your group, you can get eaten by a predator. Now, if you get lost from your group today, just meet up at the information desk. You'll be fine. Now, our sardines in here are cruising through that krill. We can see the pink animals in the water. Krill, by the way, is something a lot of you might be familiar with. What else eats krill? Whales, yes! The tiny pink krill are very small shrimp-like crustaceans, and they are food for everything from our little sardines to a big blue whale. A blue whale can eat 2 tons of krill by itself every day. Our sardine school is going to get 26 pounds, and they're done for the day. So that's a pretty big difference. Now, I love seeing all these fish come together, and it really gives us a glimpse into what it looks like out in a healthy ocean. Animals come together when there's food, the predators dodge around, the prey stays together. It is so much fun to see this in action. This is what would be hard to find out in the middle of the open ocean, because there's so much empty space. But this is something that all of us contribute to every day. A healthy ocean, just like you see with all the animals working together in an ecosystem, is something that we're a big part of. Because just like our predators on exhibit, we also love to eat fish. How about it? Who out here is a seafood lover like me? Good, we got a few hands going up, and it's okay. I work at the aquarium. We love seafood here, and we want you to enjoy seafood and your great-great-grandkids to enjoy seafood. So the Monterey Bay Aquarium has been studying seafood. We have studied how fish are caught in the wild and how we farm them. And we found not all fish are the same. So for example, those sardines, once upon a time were overfished. We caught too many and their population disappeared. But when we stopped catching them, the fish came back. So we're trying to have the same thing happen for other species. In fact, if you look at the surface, those long, skinny dolphin fish who have been chasing our sardines, you may actually know them by another name. Dolphin fish, here on the West Coast, often go by their Hawaiian name, mahi-mahi. Ah, that's what mahi-mahi looks like. And they're a good seafood choice. The ones that you see up top right now are babies. They can grow to be 90 pounds, and they only live a year or 2 in the wild. That's a really fast-growing fish, so that's a good seafood choice. To help all of you with this, the Monterey Bay Aquarium made a cheat sheet. We took all of our research and we made our seafood watch guide. It's available as a paper guide that you can keep in your pocket for reference, or a downloadable app. You can download the Seafood Watch app for both Android and Apple devices and get a searchable list of what's good to eat next time you're out at a restaurant or a grocery store. Because fish can be healthy for us and healthy for the ocean. So we've arranged it all like a stoplight. Green means go ahead and order it. Red means stop, don't order that one. We need fish that have time to recover. And one example of our fish that we're hoping will recover are the school of fish with pointy fins here on the left-hand side. Those are the yellowfin tuna. We have many yellowfin tuna who've been cruising around below the sardines. And tuna are a very popular dish. How about it? How many of you have seen a can of tuna on a grocery store shelf? Absolutely, that's a common thing. And not all tuna are the same though. So for example, albacore tuna are plentiful. And we're hoping with our Seafood Watch guide, we'll have other species like yellowfin and bluefin tuna recover their numbers in the wild. Now, our sardines are almost done with all of their food. They've done an amazing job mopping it up. So what I want to do is go off microphone so I can answer your questions. I'll be here on the left-hand side, and Lewis is right here with me. We can pass out the seafood watch guides or answer any questions you have about animals we didn't have time to talk about. So feel free to come over and